Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off YouTube history on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to turn on your YouTube history, turn off your YouTube history so that YouTube doesn't record any of your history, like what kind of videos you watch or your likes or interaction and anything like that. So if you want to turn it off from the YouTube side, so what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now this time what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. And here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after checking for the YouTube app update, so you have to simply open YouTube and you have to click on profile section here. And after that, you have to simply click on that settings icon. And here you have to simply click on manage all history. So in manage all history, all your history will be available, which means your interaction, your likes and dislikes, what kind of videos you watch, and you can also control your history. Now if you want to turn it off, then you have to simply click on YouTube history and you have to simply click on turn off, and your YouTube history will be turned off. And after that, YouTube will not record any kind of your history, like what kind of videos you watch or what kind of videos you like. So in this way, you can simply check all the details from here. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.